How to scan Wi-Fi signal strength anywhere. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can scan Wi-Fi signal strength anywhere. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So to scan your Wi-Fi signal strength anywhere, it's pretty simple. You can actually just observe the Wi-Fi icon on your device. The more bars that are filled solid, the stronger the signal is in that specific location. You can also walk around different spaces around and check where it increases and decreases. So for more precise check, what you can do is there are different options. You can just head over to your Google or any web browser, head over to the search bar and search for fast.com. So head over to this fast.com and it'll automatically just show you the speed of your Wi-Fi. And it's that simple. There is also an app which allows you to scan the Wi-Fi for you. So after you're done with this fast.com, you can see its final speed that it will give out after some time. So there we go. So the other speed is what you can do is go to your Google Play Store, search for Wi-Fi Analyzer, and download this app right here. After you've downloaded it, open it up. And right here you can see which Wi-Fi has how much speed and everything. You can also find the channel's ratings, the time graph, and everything. And yeah, that's how you scan Wi-Fi signal strength anywhere. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.